guys, welcome back to the series on the important reports and indices for UPSC 2020. You're here with Neha Bolgam at Sourcing Classes, and as always, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to zoom in on the reports, the World Competitiveness Ranking and World Talent Ranking 2019, published by the International Institute for Management and Development. Before diving in, let us have a few words here about who and what this IMD is. Today's reports are published by a Switzerland-based institute, which is the International Institute for Management and Development, called as IMD, and its World Competitiveness Center, which has been established in 1989. This measures how well countries manage all their resources and competencies in order to facilitate long-term value creation. Moving ahead into the first report, as per 2019 edition of the IMD World Competitiveness Ranking, Singapore has moved up to the top place from the third position last year, while USA has slipped to the third place in 2019 edition of the IMD World Competitiveness Rankings. Hong Kong has held on to its second place, while for the first time UAE has ranked among top 5 economies. India has moved up one place to rank in the 43rd position in the 2019 report, while it has been in the place 45th in 2017, but also higher at 41st in 2016. The economies are judged in 4 categories, such as the economic performance, infrastructure, government efficiency and business efficiency of the respective countries that have been evaluated under the World Competitiveness Rankings. While this year, the Asia-Pacific region emerged as a global beacon with 11 out of 14 economies either improving or having holded on to their ground. India's ranking has improved by one place in past 1 year to 43rd, driven by a robust rate of growth in real GDP, a large labor force, its huge market size, improvements in business legislations, increase in public expenditure on education, but has lagged in terms of employment generation, digital literacy, fiscal discipline, implementation of the GST, and resource mobilization for infrastructure development, and etc. Moving on to the World Talent Rankings of 2019 by the same IMD, we have Switzerland retaining its title as the world's top talent hub and topped the ranking, followed by Denmark in the second position and Sweden in the third, where most leading economies emphasized long-term talent development by focusing on investment and development. India has slipped 6 places from 53rd in 2018 to 59th rank this year on a global annual list of 63 countries. 3 main categories on which the ranking is based is investment and development, which measures the resources committed to cultivate homegrown human capital, and appeal factor, which evaluates the extent to which a country attracts local and foreign talent, and also lastly the readiness factor, which quantifies the quality of the skills and competencies that are available in a country. Based on this evaluation, the reasons behind India's ranking declining among Asian economies and also lagging behind its fellow BRICS countries is the low quality of life, negative impact of brain drain, low quality of its economy on attracting and retaining talents. Before closing up on today, we can also note that India, according to its overall performance, though has reduced in putting up with the appeal factor, has slightly moved up in the rankings of the individual factors such as the investment and development, where it has moved to the 63rd rank, and readiness factors moving up to the 25th rank. The way forward here for observing just a slight betterment with the 43rd ranking in the World Competitiveness Ranking, and also contrastingly a fall down with the 59th ranking of India in the World Talents Ranking, tells us that we need to focus better on putting our demography to better use, and also not letting all the young talent go to waste. This can be done by implementing robust policy reforms and also partaking higher share of our GDP into improving the social infrastructure, like investing more of our GDP percentage into education, skill development, and encouraging more and more entrepreneurial spirit in India, which makes India on the whole as a destination to compete, manufacture, and export. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and also our channel if you like the information, and do visit the website www.sourcingclasses.com for any further queries.